Okay. Step 2 is the attendance center information. If you navigate to your district information and click on your attendance centers. This collection focuses on verifying and maintaining accurate base salary and ensuring that attendance center data is correctly pre-filled in the PRF system based on what you reported on your Ed directory submission. Here's the key things. You need to verify the teacher base salary. The public schools and the co-ops will see this, but the public schools, the statewide minimum teacher salary for state aid accountability in fiscal year 2026, which is the 2025-2026 school year, is $45,563. That's the minimum. And be sure to click Update Salary. You enter the starting salary for a teacher with 0 years of experience and a bachelor's degree at your district. Do not include in this figure additional pay for advanced degrees or additional pay for years of service. The base salary is district specific and separate from the negotiated salary entered in each educator's individual record, where the advanced degree and the years of service salary is included. The base salary is used to generate errors on the assurance statement. It flags any educators whose reported salary falls below the district base salary. If your district renegotiates salaries mid-year to meet teacher compensation, I should say if your public district renegotiates, remember to update the base salary figures accordingly here. As far as the South Dakota teacher compensation accountability reminders for public schools, the minimum teacher salary for fiscal year 2025 was set to $45,000. In fiscal year 2026, this minimum will increase annually based on the state education funding formula increase of 1.25. Which at the minimum would be $45,563. You can set it higher. Accountability requirements. Each school district must increase average teacher compensation, salary plus benefits, so that the cumulative increase since your fiscal year 2024 is greater than or equal to the cumulative percentage increase in the target teacher's salary. Compliance threshold must meet at least 97% of the required increase. So your target teacher salary for fiscal year 2025 target increase was 4%. And in fiscal year 2026, your target increase was 1.25. Dr. Graves, Secretary of Education, is encouraging districts to increase base salary now to prepare for this future accountability benchmarks. Now, attendance center data. This section manages the school level data that connects educators and paraprofessionals to their assigned buildings. This information is preloaded from the educational directory submission. The education directory information you submitted to Angie Bren is preloaded into the PRF system. You are only allowed to make changes if the academic term did not roll forward correctly. So Apple Blossom Elementary, the term was set to trimester, and the options are trimester or quarterly. If you have a new school, you must set up the academic term before assigning any teachers to that school. So make sure that all of your schools have an academic term. I caution you in changing the screen as it affects all educators assigned to that school and may cause manual corrections. So I'm not going to do this, but if we were to change this from trimesterly to quarterly, it would tell you that you would have to go back to Buzz Lightyear and Pinky to update their records. Also, you're going to notice system-wide school. This is a fictitious attendance center that's assigned to every district. It's used to code your administrators and your educational specialists. This allows you to avoid splitting FTEs across multiple buildings, example, elementary, middle school, high school, when staff serve district-wide roles. For example, your superintendent could just be coded as a 1 FTE without breaking it out to each of your schools. Please drop your questions in the comments section so we can address them at the end of the training. Before we move on, is there anything that's not specific to an individual situation that needs to be clarified?
There's nothing currently in the chat.